Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be doing live swatches of the Colors to Carol Spring Collection, and these polishes will be released on March 12th for $11 a piece. So if you love live swatches, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll have the sales info down below. We are starting out with Cottontail Confetti. This polish is described as a crelly base, a white crelly base, with neon green, neon yellow, black, hot orange, neon blue, neon pink, and magenta glitters. So I think, again, this is another one of those super fun party crellies that you just want to have around in case you're doing neon nails, or even if you are not doing neon nails and you just want something really fun, really easy, and a great background for nail art. It does dry semi glossy and textured, so make sure you have a top coat, and that's true for most of the polishes. This next gorgeous one is Where My Peeps At. This one is described as a dusty mauve purple crelly with peach, neon, yellow, glitters, and a hollow dust. So I can definitely see that hollow dust up in there in the bottle. It's a little harder to see on the nails because you're so distracted by the gorgeous glitters. And I personally thought, what a cool color combination. So, of course, the ones that stick out the most to me are the neon yellow. So I was very pleased to own this one because I think it's something I don't have enough of in my collection, which is Crellies. And next one up is Cheep Cheep, a yellowish green Crelly with a matte neon blue and matte aquamarine glitters. So, of course, I am staring down those aquamarine and blue glitters because I think they were an awesome choice to go with like this chartreuse colored Crelly. And I was amazed at how really it it just really pops off of my skin tone, and it's not something that I would normally gravitate toward. So it really made me excited to have it because it's unique. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and hit a like down below. Let me know if you plan on grabbing any of these on March 12th. And we are continuing with Carrot Patch, a peachy orange crelly with neon green, light blue glitters, and hollow dust. And again, hollow dust, totally see it on the bottle. Soon as you get on the nails, you're gonna be distracted by the glitters. And I apologize for my camera. Apparently, it was like, no, you're a little too close to be trying all of this fancy polish work. And I was like, come on, just work with me. They're so pretty. I need your help. But I think it turned out gorgeous as a polish. And of course, we've got one more Crelly for you guys, and I almost bought one of these last year, so I'm really happy to get One Cute Chick. So, One Cute Chick is described as a turquoise Crelly with hollow dust and neon pink glitters. So, I want to just like I almost exploded. I was so happy when I got this one in the mail to swatch because like I said, I really wanted one like it last year, and I was like, I don't know. I kind of hemmed and hawed on it until it disappeared. So the fact that sometimes you see reincarnations with indie makers makes my day, and I love this one so much. Actually, I think I kind of just love this whole collection. I think that's possible. It's $60 for the whole collection and $11 a piece for the polishes. But we have one last thing to show you. This is Hatch Me If You Can, and it is described as a clear base with black matte glitters in various shapes and sizes. So, fun story. My husband saw it, was intrigued by it. I handed him one of those little white nail swatch wheels to test it out, and he was like, "What kind of sorcery is this? The polish is black in the bottle, but it comes out clear." And I was super amused because I had read the name and I had already guessed what it might look like. So, points for us polish fans who can read a name and almost guess what's going to go on inside the bottle. But seriously, guys, I don't think you can get much easier for an Easter egg mani than this, or Halloween, or Valentine's Day. Come to think of it, there are a lot of possibilities. But that is it for me today. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you're part of my nail fam, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.